Anyway, weather's nice. It's been pretty hot lately. This is not weed, no. Banana flavored nicotine. Thank you. The word tits make me very uncomfortable. Why does the word tits make you uncomfortable? The word tits doesn't make me uncomfortable. I like the word tits. Tits are nice. Tits are great. Tits are necessary in human evolution and reproduction. You know, what would we be? What would we do without tits? You know, dude, tits are so important. I like, dude, oh, fucking boogers. Tits, dude, tits. Got some food in my teeth. Dude, tits are so important, dude. I like talking about tits. I like saying it like that, too. Tits. My tits. Dude, I have nothing to do today. I actually do have one thing to do. I need to call somebody, but I'm not going to do that because that's business related, and I don't feel like doing business at the moment. But what I do feel like doing is saying the word tits, but then adding another syllable to it that isn't needed to make it sound like tits. So that's cool. What are you guys doing? How are you guys doing these days? I am not talking like you, Brett. You do not say tits. That's my bit. Yes, my tits. Nice. You made a quarantine radio. That's cool. You're eating kiwi, one of my favorite fruits. Streaming Say So, as you should. Thank you very much. I'm glad you enjoy the song. Got better ones coming, I hope, I think. I assume you. You're eating dragon fruit. Oh. Don't like that fruit. I never liked dragon fruit. Not a huge fan. What is that? I feel like that was one of, like, God started running out of ideas. And then he was like, I don't know, man. Fucking put polka dots in it and make it pink on the outside and get to put green spikes on it. Pretty much just make it look like a fucking Super Mario character that you can eat. That tastes like Splenda, watered down, and that's it. And that's dragon fruit. Not a good fruit. It just doesn't live up to its name. Mango and kiwi are fire, though. I could fuck with some mango and some kiwi. It does. It tastes like Crystal Light, but super duper watered down. If you put a gallon of water and then just a single grain of Crystal Light, any flavor that's supposed to be sweet, it's like 2% sugar. Shit fruit. How do you fail at being a fruit? How does a fruit fail at being a fruit? That's dragon fruit. Watermelon's great. One of my favorites as well. Oranges, I have like a weird thing about oranges. I don't feel like doing the work. And then I feel a little bit fucking like I've been doing it wrong my entire life. I thought you take the orange, and this was as a kid, you know what I mean? I'm not making my food choices, my parents are. So it's like, you know, you have an orange that's pre-cut or whatever. You know, you rip it open or however the fuck. And you get that little slice. You get that little thing, you put it, and you make the funny face with it. But then I would take it and bite down like that and then just throw it away. I didn't know that you can eat the whole fucking damn near the rind from the orange. And I feel stupid because of that. No, I don't know what a star apple is. That sounds kind of interesting. I'm about to Google that. Star apple. What the fuck? Love pomegranates. Hate pomegranates. But love pomegranates. Fuck pomegranates, but God, do they taste good. Pomegranates know what they're doing. Pomegranates are the asshole of fruits. They're the dickwad of fruits. You ever open a pomegranate and you go, well, time to get to work. Do you ever open up a pomegranate and get upset? I do. I open up a pomegranate and I become exhausted. I open up a pomegranate and then I just take a nap. And then I wake up with a pomegranate in my hand and I go, cool, and I don't eat it. Because fuck pomegranates, but they're so good. Delicious. I'll just go to the grocery. You can get them de-shelled or whatever the fuck. You can get a bunch of little, you can get the seeds and shit. I got a text, so I couldn't really articulate that, but you can get the seeds fucking seeded. And that's nice. So good. The juice is good, but it's something magical about eating a pomegranate seed and it just bursting, you know, in your mouth. Anyway. A durian? Yeah, I have. I heard they smell really bad. I know they smell bad, but they taste good? Blueberries are kind of a fucking useless fruit. Unless you're like a model and you just eat blueberries because, like, I don't know. They're good for you. They have antioxidants and shit like that. You know? They got fucking free radicals and all those fucking weird shit that you need for your body with weird names. But fuck blueberries. I eat a blueberry and I'm disappointed. And about 9 times out of 10, I'm disappointed in each blueberry that I eat. You ever had a good blueberry, though? So good. I love a good fucking blueberry, but it's not worth it. I'm not going and buying blueberries for any reason ever. To have one blueberry. You're paying how much ever a blueberry, a little case of blueberries is for one blueberry. That's kind of good. And that's the best blueberry is the blueberry that's like That was alright. You know what I mean? No one eats a blueberry and goes, holy shit. I eat mangoes and I go, oh my God. Oh my God, that was amazing. And I become emotional over mango. But a fucking blueberry has never gotten me past the feeling of, it's good. It's an eyebrow raise and a, That's the best blueberry. That's the best reaction that you can get from one of those. Strawberries are a fucking scam. I've never had a good strawberry. I've had strawberries and I've eaten them and kept eating them. And I've been like, this is much too sour for my mouth. But I'm just gonna keep going because I have belief. I believe in strawberries, but I'm not gonna eat them. You know what I mean? Strawberries are a cute fruit. Like, they look pretty, they look cute, you know? Candy tastes very good when it's strawberry flavored. We love the scent of strawberry. We like it on our clothing. We like the way they look. We like the way they smell. We like the way the artificial version of them taste. But real strawberries are a fucking scam. Strawberries are the most full of themselves fruit, I think. Apples are a fucking commitment. And don't get me started about cherries. Don't get me started about cherries, dude. Because everyone always fucking disagrees. And I don't know if there's anybody out there. Do you guys like maraschino cherries? I like them. I think they're great. I think they're better than regular cherries. Fuck regular cherries. I'm not eating that shit. I'm not eating that with the pit in it. I'm not doing that. And then you leave a bowl of nasty pits. You might as well eat sunflower seeds. I can do. That's a gross food that leaves a shell that I can eat a lot of. But cherries I'm not doing. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. I don't like cherries. Fuck cherries. Maraschino cherries are where it's at. Pineapple's good. Pineapples are like the donut of fruit. I'm not eating the whole thing. And it's too sweet. It's too sweet. It's overly sweet. I'm not a huge fan of pineapples, and I'm not a huge fan of pineapple juice. I'll eat some, though. I will eat some pineapple on pizza. Pineapple is made to be placed next to other things. It's made to be grilled, it's made to be heated, it's made to be tossed into other foods, like pizza. Pineapple on pizza is great. Ryan. This is all it takes, dude, to summon you. My friend Ryan always says that pineapple shouldn't be on pizza. But you know what? Fuck you, dude. No. We could go to war. We could. We won't. But if we keep talking about this, I'm going to lose my temper. Or I'm going to lose my cool. I don't know how much of this I can take. You shaming me for my taste buds being correct. Yeah. You have faulty taste buds. Your mouth is broken. I don't know what to say. I'm not gonna say anymore, but we can talk about other fruits, man. Did you know you can eat kiwi skin? You can. Go downstairs, get some kiwi. If If you have kiwi in your kitchen, eat the rind. And don't bite into it like an apple. Cut it up like a sane human being, and just pop it in your mouth, chew on it. It's like nothing. It's like eating an apple. Now, apples are a commitment, like I was saying earlier. Apples are a commitment. If you're a person that eats apples, you're a wholesome person. You might be crazy. You might be fucking absolutely out of your you might be at your wit's end, but you've got something going for you. If you eat apples whole, you just eat, not whole. I just imagined someone eating an apple whole. Oh my. I'm genuinely laughing right now, just imagining someone putting an entire apple in their mouth and just trying to eat that as is. Like Yoshi. Like a fucking... Who eats apples whole? Anyway, you can't do that. It's completely impossible. But if you eat apples, you might be insane, but good for you. It's hard to describe. I don't know exactly how to put it, but you know what I mean. You guys, you know what the fuck I mean. If you don't know what I mean, I don't know what to tell you, but I know a lot of you guys know what I mean. I always look at someone who eats just an apple and be like, damn, I want to be that guy. That's all I want. I just want to be that guy. And I've done it myself. But their blood is shed when eating apples. Blood is shed. And I say that in the sense that, like, you know, I like this comment. Hold on, I really like this. I like you are piss. But I say that in the sense that you ever bite into an apple and hurt yourself? Or almost hurt yourself? I can move on, but I feel like when I eat apples, I'm injuring my mouth. But not quite. Like I'm almost there. It's kind of like torture. I know I'm doing something good for myself. Hi, pretty little things. I'm not getting the dog Malu, no. Apples are definitely like apples are hard. Figuratively and literally. Someone said something about coconuts. You're never gonna see me eating a fucking coconut. Coconut shavings maybe on a cookie. Not gonna see me eating that often, but will try it so that I'm not looked at as a cunt. But I've done it before. Don't need to do it again. I don't need to take a spoon and carve with all of my might into a fucking coconut just to get some flavorless, pissy tasting meat. That's what it is. Coconuts taste like piss. They taste like urine. Grapes, yeah, grapes. I could do some fucking grapes. I can do some grapes, but you know what grapes I can do? I can do the red ones. That's the only ones I want. I don't want the fucking green sour ones. Apples are ungrateful. Fuck coconut meat, yeah. But, oh man. Were we at grapes? I'm not eating a fucking green grape. That's all for you. I know I used to take grapes and take the skin off of them. Something about that brings me so much joy. Just eating a skinned grape. Like you take it and you just peel off the skin and then you just look at it like this. And then you maybe bite half of it off. And then you look at it again and then you just eat the whole thing. And that's how you eat a skinned grape. What about a pear? I don't know, pears are great. Pears are actually on my good side. Pears are definitely in the upper echelon. Pears can be so good. Not quite a mango, but you know, mangoes make me but pears not quite. What about meatloaf? I like lychees. They remind me of a massive clit. If this was my world, I'd just call it clit fruit. We wouldn't be calling it lychee, nothing. We'd just be calling it tit fruit. Clit fruit. Hey, y'all eat clit fruit? Hey, you like clit fruit? I like clit fruit. I like clit fruit flavored things like lychee martinis, lychee puff bar, lychee candy, anything really. Now listen. The fucking god of all. And I say this because when you get a good one of these, oh boy. I could fucking inhale a basket of raspberries. Don't ask me why I called it a basket. It's just the first word that came to my mind. But a good raspberry is a good day. Am I right or am I wrong? A good raspberry is a good day. If a good week, fuck it. If the whole thing is good, sometimes that happens. If the whole thing of raspberries is good, you're gonna have a good week. Fucking love raspberries. If you say I'm wrong, you've never had a good raspberry, and I understand your pain. I do. Yeah, raspberries are, I've had a couple bad ones. They can be mushy and nasty, but believe me, they got that, I don't know what the word is, that consistency to them, and that sweetness and that fucking and they're not sour. When they're not sour, Somebody said blackberries. It's like it's in between raspberries and blueberries, right? You get fuck blueberries. Blackberries, fuck blueberries. Raspberries, amazing when it's good. Blackberries, when it's bad, good luck. Rest in peace. Because sometimes blackberries are very good, though. When they have a mild thing about them. When they're not so sour. And I feel like a lot of them can be very fucking sour. Watermelon's so good. I eat watermelon every single day. Every single day. For a long time. You ever had a raisin with a cranberry? You ever had a dried, not dried, yeah, dried. You ever had a dried cranberry with an almond? Have you ever lived a fruit? You ever had a fucking cranberry with an almond? It'll change your life forever. Sheesh. You ever put fucking honey on cheese? Fucking dude, go to your biggest cheese you have, or any cheese. Any cheese, the healthier the better. I'm gonna be honest. You ever had honey on a crack? You don't understand. If you haven't, you have. You know what I mean? If you have, so good. So good. The Velveeta. Brett, get out. Get out of here. Get out. Not even remotely what I am trying to convey, right? Peanut butter on an apple is really just a life-changing experience as well. If you put fucking, you're smart. Congratulations. You're a genius. You've got it all. You've got it going on if you eat peanut butter and apples. You know what the fuck's going on. Delicious. What the fuck did you just say? Good Oh yeah, probably. Yeah. Peanut butter and green apples. Peanut butter and any apple. And delicious. Can we stop talking about fruit? I think we're just talking about food at this point, though. It's not that bad. But I do feel like we've been kind of been like an overkill with the you know. Hey, Hollywood Unlocked, can I ask you something? Are you one of those like Watch Mojo people who do like the YouTube videos about celebrities and shit like that? I don't know what the hype. One of your guys' videos. I'm literally juggling topics right now. I don't want to be inaccurate, so let me just do something real fast. I'm on 5%. Let me see. Let me see something. And that's it for today, guys. Signing out. And his full name is... 24. That's his whole name. First, middle, and last. Just, oh my god, that would be a great name. What is this? But let's watch the video. Let's stir some shit. Where is he? Where is he? Oh, hey, can't find him. You can't even find it because nobody cares. Oh, I found it. I think that it's the guy from
Cheesesteak pizza.
It's the guy. Hold on, where is he? Yeah, there he is. Oh, I shouldn't show you guys who it is because I don't want everybody to go attacking him. But God, this guy is awful. And then I'll play his voice. Maybe you'll know if I play his voice, but he won't say his name. You won't know. This is so fucking cringe. But God bless him. You know, you got to do what you got to do. But oh God, his face. Oh.
Your own, and now let's jump into this video. Pizza for $5. School, all the nature is what came to define her music career, and it's a trait that she carries over into her fashion choices as well. Now, Doja, she often works with the renowned stylist Brett Allen Nelson.
Woo, Brett!
Come to define the looks of Lizzo,
Go
Nicki
team!
Minaj, Kylie Jenner, and Charlie XCX. Now, these two, they first teamed up when Doja was looking for an outfit for her appearance at the 2019 BET Awards.
Take a look. This is a moment when you're at the BET Awards. It's
Speaking to like Pink and Cat, well, Brett, he had this to say about the now infamous look. She told me she really liked Pink and Cats, so the
Oh my God. Anyway, next subject. I just don't like that guy very much. But yeah. Oh boy. Shut the fuck up. Aurora just came out with a song 3 days ago and a video along with it, and we're gonna watch that. And I'm gonna get my charger because I'm laying on laundry. Oh my God! Oh, she's doing the thing I wanted to do, but oh, I'm too late to do it. I'm still gonna do it, but one more time. Fucking love Aurora. Jesus Christ. Everyone shut the fuck up. Shut up.
They say there is a war between the man and the woman.
I don't know what else to do with my life other than just watch this.
I've never
Forever.
felt like this before. My heart knew that I could have. And then you take me in, and everything in me begins to feel like I belong. Like everybody needs a home. And when I take your hand, like the world has never held a man, I know I cannot heal the hurt, but I will hold you here. exist for love, like I exist for love, only for love.
Holy shit.
I can't imagine how it is to be forbidden from loving. 'Cause when you walked into my life, I could feel my life begin, like I was torn apart the minute I was only born, and you're the other half, the only thing that makes me whole. I know it's need to know we love and we
This is new Jay-Z track.
I know I love you so. And then I learned the truth, how everything good in life seems to lead back to you. And every single time I run into your arms, I feel like I exist for love, only for love. And when you say my name, like white horses on the waves, I think it feels the same as a
Oh my god, this is so fucking good. I want to cry. I'm not gonna cry, not on live at least. This is so good.
ocean in my veins, and you'll be diving like nothing is out of place. And we exist for love, only for love. And I love you, I love you, I love you. And I love you, I love you.
Oh my god. Oh my. Oh my god. What the fuck? I'm sorry. One more time. One more time. Fuck you. I don't give a shit. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. You can leave. I don't give a fuck. It literally, I went down like 10,000 viewers in like 5 minutes, and I don't care. That's not what I'm here for. I'm here to listen to this one more time. Fuck you.
They say there is a war between the man and the woman. I've never felt like this before. My heart knew that I could've. And then you take me in, and everything in me begins to feel like I belong, like everybody needs a home. And when I take your hand, I can. And then I learned the truth, how everything good in life seems to lead back to you. And every single time I run into your arms, I feel like I exist for love, like I exist for love, only for love. I can't imagine how it is to be forbidden from loving. Cause when you walked into my life, I could feel my gears torn apart.
He is so good right here. That starts right here.
The minute I was only born and you're the other half. The only thing that makes me whole. I know it sounds like a lot, but you really need to know we are leaning out for love, and we will lean for love forever. I know I love you so. And then I learned the truth, how everything good in life seems to lead back to you.
Fuck. Everything that you heard, bitch, this is the best song on the whole planet. Okay, maybe not on the whole planet, but bitch, this is the same feeling I got when I listened to that one bitch that got the name that goes. I think her name's just O, but her name, it looks like it's parentheses, 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 O. Parentheses, 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 parentheses. This is what this bitch name is. One of the best songs, in my opinion. You don't have to fucking agree. Her name looks like a vagina, but when I heard this song, I fucking cried. This song, that song, Aurora's song, made me feel the same way that this did. This song is fucking crazy. Listen to this shit. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Fitting in your vibe and you'll be styling out too quickly.
Like what?
Man, it's just the way you do
Oh
it.
fuck, I'm a mess.
So swiftly. Vibing out to you and making me do you, man. Smoking out the way I feel emotion. So good is so bad, is so bad, is so new. I'm wishing at the end of June. Closing my shroud and I vision go clearly. Can't see ahead if I'm fine when I leave me. What is the saying when you should let go? What is so impossible? Do me like that with a smile, with a smack, with a you know me, no, you know me better.
Hi Rico.
Baby, no windy, no sun. Just music and just
Do you know the song? This fucking song is so good. Please kill me. It's so good. There's this song and goddamn so many Aurora songs make me feel that way though. That shit, I don't even know how to fucking feel. Rico, listen to parentheses, 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 O, parentheses, parentheses, parentheses. That's her name. And the song's called Vibin' Out. It's good. I don't know. I don't think you're going to go listen to it. But do that shit, please. Listen to that shit. I just listened to the new Aurora song. And I watched the video. And I cried twice. And we love to see it. We love that. This fucking song. Rico, do it. Please. It's so good. Just not the Aurora one. You could play that. I don't know what you like, but this shit is good too. But listen to fucking Vibin' Out. Do that shit.
They say there is a war between the man and the woman.
Bitch, yes. It looks like a pussy hole. Rico, listen to Vibin' Out by Vagina Hole. That shit is one of the best songs on the planet. And yeah. There's more shit by her that's good. Sometimes it's always you only like one song by an artist. But she has hitters. Oh, you know who's really good too? I like fucking Caroline Polachek. Can we listen to that right now? And this video is really good. Let's just do that. I can't spell her fucking name, dude. Oh, no, I did. Oh, wow, I killed it. This song's so hot. I don't like that I said that because the song's called So Hot, You're Hurting My Feelings. On things. I love this bitch. I love this bitch. You know what she reminds me of? She reminds me of a band that one of my favorite bands. And I'm about to lose like 5,000 viewers, but that's fine. Fuck with are you serious? It's leaving my mind? What the fuck? One of my favorite bands. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm at my fucking wit's end. What is this? The Dresden Dolls. Jesus Christ. She reminds me of the Dresden Dolls. And maybe in the sense that she has that... sorry, I saw your comment, B. Simone. Thank you so much. Thank you. But the Dresden Dolls fucking have this like similar 80s thing, like where they go, it's where she goes, and it's so embarrassing, but it's like she does like a yodel type thing. That. And they do similar shit kind of. Yeah, this song is so good. This song is stupid good. What's another one? What's another good song? It's called You're So Hot, It's Hurting My Feelings. Oh no, So Hot, You're Hurting My Feelings by Caroline Polachek. Hey, Instagram's about to shut this shit down because I've been on here too long. That's what we do. We ride it till the wheels fall off. We ride it till the wheels fall off, baby. With good music. And let's end it off with, what's another one? What's the, let's do fucking Tierra Whack. That's a good idea. Let's do fucking Hungry Hippos. Hungry Hippo. A fucking great song. So short. So short that I could punch myself in the face. Hate how short this
You
is.
lost my diamonds and my pearls. I said thank you, I designed it. Not your average girl. You need a swag and I'll provide it. Bite it. Open up and bite it. Bite it. Open up and bite it. Bite it. Open up and bite it. Bite it. Shut up, boy, bite it. You don't know no better. Birdie got the cheddar. Got that boy with me. He goes spinning better. Put him on that Alex. Gucci on his wallet. Franco hands on me. They think I'm his dollars. Bite it. He likes my diamonds and my pearls. I said thank you, I designed it. Not your average girl.
And this is the moment I realized that I wanted to punch myself in the fucking forehead. Love you guys so much. This song is too short. Shouldn't have ended it there. Love Tierra Whack.
Yeah. Love.
Who that is?
What? Yeah. Love.
Who that is?
What? Yeah. Love.
Who that is?
What? Yeah. Love.
Who that is?
Yeah. Love.
Who that is?
What? Yeah.